North America is one of the biggest growing markets of the global automotive industry besides China and Russia. In the first month of this year, the sales of light vehicles increased by 8%. Mr. Barry, what's your opinion? How long will we see such growth in North America?
We've been certainly fortunate since the crisis of '09 that we've continually seen growth from the very low levels of 2009. I would say that we'll continue to see modest growth for the next at least for the 3 years. And I would say it's going to be in the roughly 3% increase each year. I think that will get us into the low 16 million SAR level, and I would see us holding there for a couple years. But I would still say we would see good growth for the next 3 years.
The growth in Mexico is indeed stronger than in the rest of North America. How well is Van Rob placed in Mexico? Can we expect new investments in our Mexican plants, or even the fitting of new plants to help the car manufacturers to manage their growth?
Certainly, the new growth in Mexico is very important to us. We are positioned very well in Mexico. We have 3 facilities, one in the north side of Mexico in Hermosillo. We have our larger first plant in Mexico where we started in Querétaro, and then we also have a plant in Puebla. So our locations are matched very well with the customers that are there today, and for sure for the customers that are coming. Honda just opened a new plant. We're less than an hour from Honda, and of course we all know that Audi is opening a plant in the region of Puebla. We've got a facility there today where we service VW. We're just a half a kilometer from VW for sure today. And as Audi comes to that region, we will be investing and growing our facility in Puebla. We have a need for additional capacity there. We very much look forward to working with Audi to continue to grow that and also grow our VW business and be close to both of those customers.
How important is the Mexican market for Van Rob, for example, yes, regarding a balanced customer portfolio?
For sure, today Mexico makes up about 28% of our sales. And as we go forward, we see that increasing. With that increase, certainly will need more capacity, like I spoke of, in the Puebla area. But also, if you look at the customers that are there, Honda opened the new plant I mentioned. We've also got Audi, which is for sure organic growth for us here in North America, though they are not here today, and for sure that is for sure incremental growth. So if you look at how we want to better distribute our customers, diversify our customer base, or our customer cake, for sure the people that are coming into the region of Mexico will allow us and help us in that area to diversify.
Is the Mexican business an additional business, or will the growth in Mexico jeopardize the utilization of our plants in Canada and in the USA?
Well, as far as Canada goes, there is a reduction in the market in the number of cars that are produced in Canada. We see that over the next few years, Canada will drop from about 2.5 million vehicles produced to about 1.8 million. So some of that loss is because of a shift to Mexico, but really, again, if you look at the guys, the OEMs that are coming to the region, Audi for sure, a new player to the North American market, so that is purely organic growth. Honda, again, is just trying to grow the amount of cars that they can produce in North America. So the answer to the question is no, it's not really going to hurt us. It's going to help us, again, to grow and to help diversify our customer base as well.
Which technology are very important in the future? Laser welding, hot forming, the use of aluminum, for instance?
For North America, if you look at the technologies that we're using here, I mean, the technologies are helping us achieve and provide solutions to our customers that are important. What the laser technology that we have here today in North America is allowing us to reduce the mass, reduce the weight. Obviously, that is a key objective of all OEMs, not only in North America but in the globe. We've got some very stringent miles per gallon requirements, 52 by 2025, and certainly in Europe the CO2 reduction is basically in the same realm. And the way they can achieve that, the way the OEMs can achieve that, of course, is by mass reduction, weight reduction, light weighting. Laser technology allows us to use thinner materials and also distort the material and less with the heat effect of the lasers. And therefore, we're able to provide lighter products and more accurate products with laser technology. So for sure for us in North America, laser technology is a key competitive advantage that allows us to bring solutions to our customers that allow them to achieve their lightweighting needs today and into the future. For us, laser welding in the year, actually just next year in 2014, lasers will affect 40% of our product that we produce here in North America. So we are clearly one of the leading suppliers in that technology field.
Will Van Ropp and Kirchhoff Automotive in the future benefit even more from each other than today regarding our core competencies?
For sure, if you look at what we're doing and what we have our strategy 2020, for sure we are working very hard at growing our core competencies and sharing that information and focusing those people in the right areas, our people in the right areas on both sides, not only North America but also in Europe, focusing in on the technologies and the competencies that we have that will allow us, again, to really focus on lightweighting. Mixed materials, aluminum, we're doing all those products today here and in Europe, and we're focusing our strategy as we go forward to make sure that, again, that we're able to provide solutions. That's what our customers need. They need solutions that are going to help them achieve their objectives. And our goal and our responsibility is for sure to make sure that we're helping them to achieve the things they need to achieve going forward.
Okay, thank you very much.